After years of cruising, I've noticed something interesting. The people who come home saying, "That was the best cruise we've ever taken," almost always do the same things. And the people who come home frustrated, stressed, or disappointed usually ignore them. Some of these habits save money. Some help you avoid costly mistakes. Some can even prevent a vacation disaster. And one of them completely changed the way I cruise forever. So if you love cruising and want more practical tips, money-saving tricks, and insider advice to help you get the most out of every vacation, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Here are the 9 things smart cruise passengers always do and why they work. 1. Smart cruisers obsess over cabin location. Most people spend months researching ships, comparing itineraries, and reading reviews, but then they spend about 30 seconds choosing their cabin. And that's crazy, because the wrong cabin can ruin an otherwise amazing cruise. Experienced cruisers know that where you sleep matters a lot. That's why many smart cruisers avoid guaranteed cabins whenever possible. Giving the cruise line complete control over your room can sometimes work out great, but it can also leave you above a nightclub, below the pool deck, or beside a busy crew area. And trust me, spending 7 nights listening to chairs scraping overhead at 6 in the morning isn't anyone's idea of a dream vacation. Veteran cruisers also try to surround themselves with cabins above and below whenever possible. Cabins act like sound buffers, helping you avoid noise from theaters, lounges, and high-traffic public spaces. Another thing many experienced cruisers avoid is connecting cabins. Unless you're traveling with family or friends, those doors can allow more sound to travel between rooms than many people realize. If motion sickness is a concern, midship cabins usually experience less movement, which can make a noticeable difference, especially in rough seas. And while balconies aren't essential, many cruisers eventually discover that having your own private outdoor space adds something special to the experience. Morning coffee, sunsets, and sail-away views are hard to beat. But even the perfect cabin won't help if you make the next mistake, because this is where many cruisers accidentally spend hundreds more than they expected. 2. They budget beyond the cruise fare. One of the biggest mistakes new cruisers make is assuming the cruise fare is the vacation cost. In reality, that attractive price you see advertised might only be half the total bill. Because once you're on board, there are plenty of things that can quietly add up. Wi-Fi, drink packages, gratuities, specialty dining, shore excursions, spa treatments, and even a little casino fun can easily push the final cost far beyond what you originally expected. That's why experienced cruisers focus on total vacation cost instead of just the base fare. And this has become even more important recently. More cruise lines are offering bundled fares and add-on packages that include things like drinks, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and specialty dining. Sometimes those deals provide tremendous value. Other times, paying only for what you'll actually use makes more sense. The smartest cruisers don't automatically choose the cheapest cruise. They compare what's included, estimate what they'll spend on board, and look at the overall picture before booking. Because a cruise that looks expensive up front may actually cost less once everything is added together. And I'm curious, are you team budget cruiser or team all-inclusive? Let me know down in the comments. Because speaking of spending money, smart cruisers know that not every extra the cruise line offers is actually worth buying. 3. They know which extras are worth it and which aren't. Cruise lines are masters of upselling. From the moment you book until the day you disembark, you'll be offered drink packages, Wi-Fi packages, specialty dining, thermal spa passes, photo packages, and all kinds of shore excursions. And while some of those extras can absolutely improve your vacation, experienced cruisers know that not every upgrade is worth the money. In fact, I know this might upset some people, but I almost never buy drink packages unless I know I'll actually use them enough to justify the cost. The same goes for specialty dining, photo packages, and even certain excursions. Just because something is available doesn't automatically mean it's a good value for you. One mistake many passengers make is buying everything before they even step on board. By the end of the cruise, they realize they spent hundreds of dollars on things they barely touched. Smart cruisers approach these extras differently. Instead of asking, "What should I buy?" they ask, "What will I actually use?" Sometimes a specialty restaurant is worth every penny. Sometimes the thermal spa pass turns a good cruise into a great one. And sometimes the best value is simply keeping your money in your pocket. Saving money is always nice. But none of that matters if you don't make it to the ship in the first place. And that's exactly why smart cruisers never do one thing on embarkation day. 4. They always arrive a day early. Nothing ruins a vacation faster than watching your ship sail away without you. And unfortunately, every year, it happens to people who thought everything would go according to plan. Experienced cruisers know that travel delays don't care how excited you are. Flights get canceled. Weather disrupts schedules. Traffic turns a 2-hour drive into a 5-hour nightmare. And lost luggage has a way of showing up at exactly the wrong time. That's why veteran cruisers almost always build an extra day into their plans. Arriving the day before gives you a buffer against things you simply can't control. More importantly, it allows you to start the vacation relaxed instead of stressed. And when you think about it, one extra hotel night is far cheaper than missing a cruise worth thousands of dollars. The funny thing is, many people see arriving early as an unnecessary expense. Veteran cruisers see it as insurance. Because the goal isn't just getting to the ship. It's getting there without anxiety. And once you're checked into your hotel and everything has gone smoothly, you can enjoy the excitement instead of worrying about traffic, delayed flights, or whether you'll make it to the terminal in time. Smart cruisers understand that vacations should begin before embarkation day, not after. But experienced cruisers prepare for more than delayed flights and bad weather. They prepare for problems most people never even think about. 5. They pack for problems before they happen. Veteran cruisers hope for the best, but they pack for the unexpected. Because when you're in the middle of the ocean, simple problems suddenly become a lot more complicated. That's why experienced cruisers focus on preparation, not panic. Travel insurance is one of the first things many veterans buy because medical emergencies, trip interruptions, and unexpected cancellations can become incredibly expensive. Prescription medications are another must, and smart cruisers always bring enough for the entire trip, plus a little extra. Motion sickness remedies are also worth having, even if you don't think you'll need them. Rough seas have surprised plenty of people. Small things matter too. A portable charger, a basic first aid kit, copies of important documents, and even a simple dental repair kit can turn what could have been a stressful situation into a minor inconvenience. And with flight disruptions, changing travel requirements, and the occasional unexpected surprise, preparation matters more than ever. The truth is, most of these items never get used. And that's exactly the point. Smart cruisers don't pack them because they expect something to go wrong. They pack them because they don't want a small problem to ruin a great vacation. And once everything is packed and ready to go, veteran cruisers do something before they even step on board that saves money, avoids frustration, and gives them an advantage over everyone else. 6. They use the cruise planner before boarding. Veteran cruisers know that some of the best deals happen before embarkation day. While many passengers wait until they're on board, experienced cruisers are already using the cruise planner to lock in savings and reserve popular experiences before they're gone. Things like Wi-Fi packages, specialty dining, beverage packages, shore excursions, and spa appointments are often cheaper when booked ahead of time. And perhaps even more important, booking early means you're far less likely to miss out. Because popular restaurants fill up, the best excursion times disappear, and those relaxing spa appointments can sell out surprisingly fast. The biggest mistake I see isn't people booking too much. It's waiting too long. Many passengers assume they'll take care of everything once they get on board, only to discover that the experience they really wanted is already full or costs significantly more. Smart cruisers understand that planning ahead creates flexibility, not stress. Once the important things are taken care of, they can board the ship knowing they already have the vacation they want. No rushing, no disappointment, no standing in long lines trying to book what everyone else is scrambling for. But smart cruisers don't stop there, because they also know something that many first-time cruisers never realize. How you start the vacation often determines how much you enjoy the rest of it. 7. They have an embarkation day strategy. Embarkation day can either feel exciting or completely chaotic, and the difference usually comes down to one thing: having a plan. Smart cruisers know that the first few hours on board can set the tone for the entire vacation. That's why they complete online check-in as early as possible and arrive with all their essentials in a carry-on bag. Medications, passports, chargers, swimsuits, and anything important stays with them, not inside luggage that may not arrive at the cabin for several hours. And while many passengers head straight for the buffet, Experienced cruisers often do the opposite. Some passengers attack the buffet like they're preparing for winter. Veteran cruisers know there are usually quieter places to eat, fewer crowds to deal with, and a much more relaxing way to start the trip. They also take advantage of those first few hours to explore the ship, book any last-minute reservations, and get familiar with the layout before everyone else does. Another smart move is putting phones on airplane mode immediately and connecting to the ship's Wi-Fi package if they've purchased one. That simple habit can prevent some very unpleasant roaming charges later. Because experienced cruisers understand that embarkation day isn't a race. It's the beginning of the vacation. And here's something I didn't fully appreciate for years, but now I absolutely swear by it. 8. They stay flexible instead of overplanning. One thing I've noticed about first-time cruisers is that they often try to do everything. Every trivia game, every show, every excursion, every specialty restaurant. And by the end of the cruise, they're exhausted. Veteran cruisers know something rookies eventually learn. It's impossible to do everything. And more importantly, you don't have to. The best cruises aren't the busiest cruises. They're the most enjoyable ones. That's why experienced cruisers leave room for spontaneity. They sleep in when they feel like it. They watch saloways instead of rushing to the next activity. They spend an extra hour on the balcony with coffee. They take afternoon naps. They enjoy unexpected moments instead of constantly checking the schedule. Some of my favorite cruise memories weren't planned at all. They came from conversations with fellow passengers, watching a beautiful sunset from the top deck, or discovering a quiet place on board that wasn't even on my itinerary. And that's the funny thing about cruising. Sometimes the moments you remember most are the ones you never planned. Because the goal isn't to squeeze every second out of the vacation. It's to enjoy the vacation. And finally, there's one thing experienced cruisers do that completely separates them from everyone else. 9. They think like veterans, not tourists. This may be the most important habit of all. Because experienced cruisers eventually realize that a cruise isn't about squeezing every penny of value out of the ship. It's about maximizing memories. Veteran cruisers don't stress if they miss one show. They don't spend the entire vacation chasing schedules. They don't compare their trip to what someone else posted on social media. And they understand that not everything goes according to plan. Sometimes the weather changes. Sometimes ports are canceled. Sometimes an excursion isn't as amazing as expected. But experienced cruisers adapt. They embrace surprises. And they focus on experiences instead of perfection. Because perfection doesn't really exist. And honestly, some of the best cruise stories begin with unexpected changes. The happiest cruisers aren't necessarily the people who do the most. They're the people who enjoy the most. They understand that the buffet will still be there tomorrow. Another sunset is coming. And there will always be another activity, another show, and another opportunity. But time with family, unforgettable conversations, and those quiet moments watching the ocean drift by, those are the things people remember. And that's what smart cruise passengers understand better than anyone. Not how to get the most out of the ship, but how to get the most out of the experience. Because in the end, the best cruise isn't the perfect cruise. It's the one you truly enjoyed. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you always do before every cruise? Maybe it's something you've learned through experience, or maybe it's a little tradition that helps make every sailing special. Let me know down in the comments. I always enjoy reading your tips, and I'm sure other cruisers will appreciate them too. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I share practical cruise tips, money-saving tricks, and insider advice designed to help you plan better, avoid costly mistakes, and get the most out of every vacation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cruising.